prawns that we bought earlier.
Oh my.
Sawadee Cup, Ting Tong Dustin here in Hua Hin, Thailand. Here's a brief look at the hotel I was staying at, the Hilton Hua Hin Resort and Spa. We stayed for a couple of nights on the 12th floor. The room was great, staff was nice, and the view was fantastic actually, so I definitely recommend it if you find yourself in Hua Hin, Thailand. Got the beach here in front of me, little motorboat going by. God, I've missed the beach so very much. And it's not the prettiest beach in the world, that clear blue turquoise water, but it's nice. It's quiet, nobody's here. Sometimes I miss the sound of the ocean. Hua Hin is actually known as a destination for Thai people going on holiday, Thailand locals. Not so much Westerners or tourists. Every now and then we're sprinkled in the... I'm gonna take you guys on a quick walk through the hotel that I'm staying at, pool area. Currently at the Hilton Hotel Hua Hin. I managed to get a pretty solid discount given the current situation that the world is in. Sawadee Cup! Smile, you're on camera.
Oh, yes, sir.
Pretty standard as far as resort pools go. But again, nice to get away. Looks like I'm starting to get rained on a little bit. It is raining season after all. Yeah, there's some koi fish. Awesome. This is the street just outside the hotel. As you can see, almost every business is shut down. More shops and businesses that are closed down due to COVID-19. Look at this. Almost every single store. It's nuts. These two streets, these two sois. Looks like they have lots of bars and massage parlors. Both regular massage parlors and the happy ending kind. Quite popular here as well. Not recommending it, but it is a thing. Uh-oh. Got a big scary guard dog on our hands. Buddy. Hi. Hi. Does he bite? Normally all of these doors would be open. There would be people all over the place, tourists. It would be booming, people drinking. Just having an overall good time. Again, very, very sad. So a friend of mine recommended I try out this seafood restaurant here, right by the ocean. Apparently the food is amazing. Got a big portrait there of King number 10, the current king. Here I am, eating probably the biggest oyster I've ever had in my life. Putting on some red chili paste, as well as some dried onions. Of course, cannot forget to add the green chili sauce. I love that stuff. It's really good. I don't know where to start.
Yes, like that.
Really good, actually. That is very good. Khao pan bu. อร่อยมาก
fried rice with crab. Very good. Afterwards, we stopped by a seafood market close to the restaurant and bought 1 kilo of huge prawns for 600 baht, which is around $18 US. Back up north in Chiang Mai, in order to buy 1 kilo of prawns, it would be around $36 US or 1,200 baht. The difference is pretty wild, actually.
Oh, that smells good, man.
The prawns that we bought earlier.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Wow. What I do right, I suck it out. Yeah.
No, you have to make the sound also.
I have to make the sound. Okay, okay.
เออว่าอยู่ในรถของมัน Can go to the sea
นะครับ
ครับ
Enjoy your meal
Thank you very much. อร่อยมาก
ปิดกี่โมงแล้วพี่นี่
ก็ปิดเย็นนะครับ
เย็นพอไหนเนาะ
You're like an animal.
ยาวเลยครับ
Animal.
ทุกสองลงได้
โอเคค่ะ
มีชิคเก้นด้วยต้มตั้ม
ไก่ย่าง
ผักออกไก่ย่าง
อันนี้
อันนี้อะไร
น้ำตกหมู
น้ำตกหมู The next stop on our seafood adventure took us to another restaurant with amazing crab. We ate a lot of crab, as you will see in just a moment. These things are massive.
How you feel อร่อยไหม
It's amazing.
Yeah Amazing Thailand
Amazing Thailand, yeah. The aftermath of our crab feast. Oh man. Take a look at this farmer's tent. Now that's sex appeal, am I right, ladies? I'm burnt already and it's only been 1 day.